Okay, so now that we have those properties of equality, let's talk about proofs. Now, everybody thinks about proofs as like some scary monstrosity of whatever you're doing, but it's really not. It's literally just justifying every single thing that we're doing. So I'm going to start with an equation, 3x plus 2 equals 23 minus 4x. Okay, so anytime that we do this and we're justifying steps, we're writing an explanation and we're giving a reason. So here's the equation. This is a step and a reason for every single thing. So the reason why I can write that equation is because it was given. We always start proofs with whatever was given to us, the given information, okay? Now, the second step is we want to get x by itself, right? So we're going to move the x's to the same side. So I'm going to add 4x to both sides. Now the reason why I can do that is because of the addition property of equality. All right, now I'm going to combine those like terms. I get 7x plus 2 equals 23 because that negative 4x and that positive 4x cancel out. And the reason for this step is I simplified. Simplify. Now, if you write combine like terms instead of simplify, that's fine because that's what you did, right? That's the reason that you did that. Now, I want to get the x alone, so I need to get rid of this 2. So the next step is to subtract 2 from both sides. And the reason for this is I can subtract the same thing on both sides because of the subtraction property of equality. Now notice I'm abbreviating property to prop, and then instead of writing equality, I'm writing an equal sign. That's fine, okay, because I can abbreviate as long as I actually give a reason every single time that I do this. Okay, I rewrite it by simplifying. So my equation is 7x equals 21, and the reason is simplify. And what's my last step? What am I going to do last? Well, I'm going to divide by 7, yeah. And this is the division property of equality. Now you might be thinking, Ms. Miller, do I really have to write down all of these steps? And the answer is yeah, because we're learning how to write proofs. And proofs are the reasons. Proofs are writing down your steps. So yes, you do have to write down all the steps, because in the practice work, it's going to ask you what steps you're supposed to use. So you have to know the steps. You have to know what they're called. So we're getting practice writing them down. All right, and I'm left with x equals 3. And that is because I simplified. And since we're done, we write a little box and we color it in. This little box means done with the proof. It means that your proof is completely done and you don't have to worry about anything. So then that's the answer. Okay.